Smart Building Award, Africa, America, Australia. Hotel Seybousse, Annaba by DTEK in Algeria. The Hotel Seybousse in Annaba, Algeria is certainly not a small building. With its 14 floors including guest rooms and suites, conference rooms, spa and fitness areas and car parks. For the renovation of this hotel, KNX was chosen as an automation system because it could be used for all needed applications. With KNX, less cable was needed and ensured scalability. Key features: full KNX integration in a multi-story hotel. Unique lighting scenes of the different rooms and facade made it a sight to behold. Individual room control and a central system supervision. Huge number of devices to control the building functions.